be starting in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I hope you're doing well.
By His grace.
First of all, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Well, my name is Reverend Dr. Seth Aji Mohenu. I'm the past senior pastor of Faith Independent Baptist Church and also the director for Africa in a mission organization called International Partnership Ministries. I resident here in Dobro, near in Sawon.
Can you tell us how solar fits into your household?
During the regime of this doomsaw situation, we realized we needed something that can run our equipment throughout the day. We have borehole, the treatment room for water, and then how the water is pumped and so forth. We need power to do that. And therefore, if we have the solar, it will help us because when the light goes off, everything becomes a standstill. And so the solar became necessary because of this situation we find ourselves in.
So we could say that the doomsaw was the major deciding factor in
Sure,
switching to
because
solar.
if the doomsaw wasn't there, at least electricity was meeting our needs. Although of late, the prices have gone high and we are paying a lot for it, but we don't have any choice.
Could you give us like a rough estimate of what you were spending before?
At least 2,000 Ghana cedis goes into electricity.
A month?
Yeah, a month.
Oh, okay. And so far, would you say that the return on investment is paying off?
Oh, sure. I think it would have been massive if not because of the rainy season we haven't presently. Unfortunately, we started during the rainy season, and therefore we don't have the sun, helping us very much. But the little we've had has showed that the solar system is very good.
How long have you had the system now?
I think we are in the third month.
The third month.
Yeah.
Okay. And have you had any problems so far using the system?
Oh, yeah. The problems we have is sometimes because of the weather, the batteries don't charge. Sometimes not because of the weather, but maybe technical problems. The battery don't charge. But then they go through the process with us and then it starts working.
Okay. That's good to hear. And what has surprised you the most looking back at when you were using ECG and now when you are using solar?
It appears when there's light off, we still have light. And so that is the major boost to the solar system.
And what does a normal day of usage look like?
It's not bad from morning to evening. At least when the batteries charge 100%, we are able to use it till daybreak. What we do is we put up the deep freezers. We have 2 medium ones and 1 small one. We put them off and we are able to use the electricity, fans, and watch TV and all that. And so we don't have any problem very much.
That's really nice to hear. And so now that you know everything that you know about solar, knowing everything that you know about solar, would you still choose solar again if you were to go back and
Oh,
decide?
sure. We will. Presently, ECG is giving us problems, not doomsaw. but rather fluctuations. The power goes high and then comes low. I've called several times, but they haven't come to work on that. And that is a major problem to our equipment. And so with the solar, when the ECG is going high and low, we get problems. But with the solar, nothing. We don't have any problems.
So
And so
the current is quite
yeah,
stable.
the current is, smooth. And so we don't have problems with that.
And so far, has any of your colleagues or friends shown a particular interest in your system?
I have not advertised this much. Uh, Only one church in Tema, they have decided to go on solar in future. And so I have not been able to say anything to them. But I'm ready to tell anybody who asks me about
Okay.
our solar, because many people have not seen it, and we also don't brag around that we have solar or something like that.
Okay. But if you were to say something to them about solar, what would you tell them?
Well, I'll tell them solar is good because it's natural. The sun will give you, except when the sun is not shining. But apart from that, I think solar is the best to go.
And finally, who would you say is the right person to be using solar? Who would you say solar is for?
Well, maybe businessmen, companies, and because they should have power throughout. And if the sun, like we experience here, is always on, except when it's rainy season, I think is the best way to go
Okay, sir.
for businessmen.
Thank you very much for your time. And we
Thank
hope
you.
that you enjoy your system for a long time. All right.
Amen.
Thank you.